She's easy to understand, and she helps kids out, and she is really nice and like helps kids with coding and tech problems. And she's even subbed for us once when our teacher was gone.
She's kind, caring, helps people when they need it. She makes, when you're doing bad, she can motivate you to keep trying and persevere. She teaches, like she says, well, how do you solve, well, what are you not understanding? How do you think you can make it better? Are there any other ways you can do this? She points out things that are wrong and tries to help you with those.
I think as a child I enjoyed playing school. My little sister was my best student and only student, whether she wanted to be or not. And then I reached high school and I knew that I had a passion for math, and a teacher by the name of Jim Pulse, he was my first computer teacher and introduced me to BASIC, I think it was back then. And I really enjoyed teaching or learning from him. And then went on to college. Wasn't sure if I was going to be a computer science major or math major. Took both classes and ended up going the math education route. And then, then I got my first teaching job, and they were looking for somebody to teach computer science, and I'm like, hey, I'll do it. So kind of all stemmed from that. You know, it's when kids can apply their learning, what they're learning in their science classroom, when they are measuring in their math classroom and they can then see the real benefits and application to it, you know, it's great to give them real life experiences in doing that and seeing the connections. And, you know, ultimately, whatever they're doing in their future, they're going to probably do something that's STEM related. So exposing these kids at an early age, I think is really important. Thank you, Kemin Industries and the Iowa Governor's STEM Advisory Council.